so busy. Kim Jones needs no introduction. Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, amazing. I fucking love Kim Jones, okay? But my credit card says no. So Kim Jones, if you are watching this, please let me know if I can work for you. I'm done sitting in my room filming these stupid videos that no one wants to watch. Today, we are looking at the Dior Summer 2021 collection. Just kidding, I'm not hot mode. And will never be. Well, first of all, this collection is talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, shows Dior Summer 2021 collection. There is something that stood out for me and I would love to recreate, and it is this gorgeous elastic looking belt. Let me look it up so you guys can see. I remember seeing something quite similar in the Bottega Fall 2020 collection, but looking at both, I think it would be easier for me to recreate the Dior elastic belt. So guess what? In this video today, I will be sewing again. We all know how it went the last time around. Literally, this shit is fucking intense. I'm done with the sewing machine. I'm traumatized. I'm traumatica. That was a tragic experience that I never want to go back. But today, we will relive that experience. We're gonna go back to that time again where, no. Before we jump into the video, please click the subscribe button below. Thank you so much. So if you remember in my last sewing video, I said that you don't need any instructions when it comes to sewing. You don't need to read anything. I'm really bad at sewing, and I made a horrible decision by skipping this little booklet right here. Is this a booklet? It's like a mini guidebook. This is not a guidebook. This is a fucking Bible. I got so much information from this Bible right here. I finally know how to use my mini sewing machine. Why didn't I read this in the first place? Who fucking knows? Yes, exactly. So I kind of did like a test run and sew like a belt before I filmed this video just to see how it went, and I'm glad I did. You know why? Because I make so many fucking stupid mistakes. So let me show you guys. If you are good at sewing, you can skip this part, but this is for beginners like me. I sewed this with a regular thread, and then when I put this on, it was like that one scene in White Chicks where he put on that tiny ass outfit. Everything started ripping apart. The thread that I used was not a stretchy thread. Everything started tearing apart just like my career. So I got myself one of those zippers that you cannot separate. So unfortunately, it was really hard for me to put this on. So the things that you will need to make this belt, this kind of elastic, I got mine on Amazon. They sell this in like a roll and you can get it for like $5. This one is, I guess, 2 inches wide. It looks like this. So it's perfect for the belt. Like I mentioned before, get yourself a zipper that you can separate. Some stretchy black thread. Okay. So first thing first, you want to measure this elastic around your waist and then mark it to where you want the belt to be. So right here, I am going to go ahead and cut it. So go ahead and cut 2 more with the same length. And then I'm going to cut it right here. So now I have 3 bands. And later on you will insert a zipper in between, like right here, to hook both sides together. So in the photo it looks like the belt was being laid out like this. So I'm going to do the same thing. So far everything looks bad. I want to turn off the camera. Never again. It literally took me an hour to come up with this, to sew a straight line. Yes! So now we're gonna lock the middle part with a zipper. So because this part is kind of uneven and ugly looking, I'm going to slap the zipper on top like this so I can hide it and make everything look even. This one is completely uneven, so I would have to cut this off. I'm gonna run this through. I don't care if the stitch is straight or not. If it's gay, it's better. Okay, I make that joke again. The thing is, everything is in black, so people can't really tell. Oh my god, you guys. It worked. Oh my god. Okay, now I just need to trim the zipper. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Okay. So, it looks like in the photo, you can wear it about two ways. You can wear it on top of what you have. Oh my god, no one saw that. I just fucking... Anyway, I'm just gonna pretend that it's there. So you can wear it about like this. So cool. Or you can wear it about like this. I personally like it like this more. Okay, not bad. Alright. This is it. This is the belt. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you are someone who knows how to sew, you can literally whip this up in like 5 minutes. It took me 5 hours to do this. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope I inspire you to do more things like this. Please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like, please. Follow me on Instagram also. My Instagram is very.snatch. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.